Good morning, everybody. This is Donovan from Lewis Toyota over here, just showing you this 2017 Ford Edge SEL all-wheel drive. Just to start you off, it does get 20 miles a gallon city, 29 highway. It also comes with your exterior side of your smart keyless entry, as well as, it doesn't show it too well, but your own touch entry as well to go ahead and lock and unlock all the doors. And on the back side, you will see the dual exhaust, as well as this is equipped with the tow package. Alright, just going ahead, show you the rest of the vehicle real quick before we step inside. And with these, the vehicles do have turn signals built into the headlights, as well as the mirrors, so that the people in front and the side of you can see which direction you intend on going. Now on the inside real quick, you will have your automatic window controls right there, as well as your power mirrors. And over on this side, you will have your electronic seating adjustments with lumbar support, your automatic lights, and your cruise control, and your voice activated sync system. And over here, just going to show you the miles on the vehicle currently. Does have the Sync 1 system with a backup camera, with your dual zone climate control, and this does have a CD player as well. Now this will have a topside cubby over here, as well as a dual storage compartment, and it is activated with 2 different switches. Alright, running out to the passenger seat real quick. On the passenger side, you'll have your own little cubby, each individual window operation, as well as plenty of room in the back, and your 2 vents. The passengers do get their own little cubby, as well as a 12-volt outlet. Now on the back side of these Ford Edge is where they start getting a little bit more advantageous over the others. It does have plenty of room in here, and with that room, it also does have your cargo net. Also has your spare tire and some more room down there for emergency items, as well as your fuel filler neck. And this does not need any special tools, that's just undid by hand. And Ford Edge on the SEL models will have your option to go ahead and electronically fold the seat down. And the seats coming back up is a manual system. Unfortunately, this one does not have all the cool stuff on these yet. This is slightly older. You also have your flip down here as well, if you wanted to hook on some grocery bags so you don't have apples flying all over the place or any other small items. So if this vehicle does interest you, come see me at Lewis Toyota, Topeka. Ask for Donovan. We'll take this out for a spin.